نعمتي ورضيت لكم الإسلام دينا. Today I have perfected your religion for you, and I have completed my favors upon you. So brothers and sisters, Islam also, we thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He made us reach the month of Ramadan, and we have finished the month of Ramadan. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us those who will be liberated from hellfire. So brothers and sisters, Islam, there are 3 holidays in Islam. The first one is Friday, the second one is Eid al-Fitr, the third one is Eid al-Adha. Each one comes after the completion of a special